In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Activecampaign to Shopify. To get started, log into your Activecampaign dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings, which is marked with the gear icon. This is where you can manage account-level options, including your connected apps and services. After the Settings menu opens, select Integrations. This will take you to the area where Activecampaign lists the tools and platforms you can connect to your account. In the list of available integrations, find Shopify and click Connect. This begins the setup process that links your Shopify store with Activecampaign so your customer data can sync properly. Next, you will be asked to enter your Shopify store URL. Type your store address in the field provided using the standard Shopify format, ending with myshopify.com, and then click Connect. Make sure the store URL is entered correctly, because this is what Activecampaign uses to locate and connect to the right Shopify store. At this point, you may be redirected to Shopify. If that happens, log into your Shopify account to continue. After signing in, Shopify will show you an authorization screen with the app permissions Activecampaign needs in order to work with your store. Take a moment to review those permissions so you understand what data will be shared between the two platforms. When you are ready, click Install App to approve the connection. Once that is done, return to the Activecampaign setup wizard. You will now need to choose the master list where your Shopify customers will be synced. This list is important because it determines where those contacts will appear inside Activecampaign. Select a list that best fits your customer organization and email marketing setup. You will also see an option to map the Accepts Marketing checkbox for your store contacts. This setting helps control how marketing consent from Shopify is reflected in Activecampaign. Choose the option that matches how you want to manage subscriber permissions and contact preferences. Finally, click Finish to complete the connection and start syncing your data. After that, Activecampaign and Shopify will begin working together, allowing your customer information to flow into your selected list. That covers everything you need to know.